Hi everyone, welcome to our next video in our Klara Markova series. We have a really cute little tiny bee to do today. I was thinking about adding it in with something else, but I'm just going to do this today because there aren't really any other elements that sort of match, you know what I mean? So we're just going to do him, so it'll be a very quick video. Now with our butterflies we did purple and pink bodies to match their wings, but I think we'll do something a little more traditional with this bee, and we might change it up. There's another bee later and we might change it up with that one. So I'm just going to show you a sort of yellow and black sort of bee really. So I'm going to start with some yellow. Now we don't have to use just one shade, even though he's quite small. I'm going to try and just use a couple, see what we can fit in. So I'm going to start with the brilliant yellow. These are the Castle Arch. You can see it's quite an orangey yellow, and we're going to do the first stripe here with a bit of this at the bottom. It needs sharpening really. We've got quite a small area to cover. There we go. Just a little bit at the top, and on this stripe, alternate stripes like that, and then a slightly darker yellow. What should we use? I think we'll go for that one. This is the, oh, the lead's fallen out my sharpener, but it's not from this pencil. This is the Cadmium Yellow Light, and I'm going to extend that colour upwards and downwards and leave just maybe a little white stripe sort of around there, so it's almost on the top of the body. I want to make sure I've got quite a lot of colour down though on him, because yellow doesn't always show up, so I'm just layering it up a little bit. Now the other stripes would normally just be black. We're going to go in with a grey and then a black. No, we're going to go with a black and then a grey, so it's not completely black. Okay, right way around. So we've got our ivory black to start with. Gosh, everything's blowing around in here. And just put quite a heavy layer at the bottom, but lighten it up really quickly. I don't really want it to be really black, and just a tiny bit in there. Okay, now for the tail end, or the end of the body I guess, a little bit all the way around, but quite gently like that. And then we've also got the head. I'm just going to put a little bit at the bottom, along the bottom of his face. Just put it up a little bit and just a tiny bit there, and that is it. I don't want to do any more. I don't want it really dark. So I'm going to take my darkest grey, which is called Cool Grey Deep, to do the next bit. I've only got two greys, so I've got a dark and a light, so I haven't got a lot of choice. I would probably have gone a little bit lighter. I probably might have just not done the black, but we'll do this. I'm just trying to fade it as I go. It's a case of using a gentle touch and only laying down a tiny bit of colour like that. And the same here. I want to take it all the way from the black, but remember we've sort of got a light stripe along there, so we need to take it up from the bottom a bit. Let's leave a little bit there, and then our face. Just gently bring the colour up, fading as you go, just gently caressing the paper, not very much pressure at all. I could have gone for my lighter grey, but I've done okay with this one. I want the lighter grey for the wings. There we go. Now, what have we got? This is called Cool Grey, but it's still really quite dark, so I have to be really gentle with this one. So I'm sharpening it a bit, just because I need to stay in lines. Now here we've got a line here that Klara's given us to help us with shading. So what I'm going to do is just bring down some colour from there. As you can see, even though I'm working really gently, it's a fairly dark colour. I'm just going to bring it down like that and leave the pale outline. I'm not going to put grey everywhere. It keeps it really looking, I can hear the pigeons flapping in the tree. I don't know if you can. And we're going to use some sparkle. I do like a bit of sparkle on wings. Now this is a Jelly Roll Stardust pen, which is clear, so it's like glitter glue. There's no gel, coloured gel in it, so we can colour over the top of pencil work and it will show the pencil through. But I'm just going to go along the outline of the wings and do those little lines. Now you probably can't see. Let me tip. I have got my light on even though it's really sunny, but hopefully, oh there you go, you can see the shine. You can do the whole wing in this sparkle if you want. I've just chosen to do it like this today for no real reason. So there he is. So it's quite a simple one today, quite a short one, because he is a little critter. We've got a much longer one tomorrow with our candies or sweets, whatever you want to call them. So I shall have a think about those and come back tomorrow with that one. So thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Try and have some fun, do something you enjoy, and happy colouring.